Shore Fishing here, guys. At you. Big up yourself. Well, we on another road trip. I haven't done any fishing today. I've done fishing yesterday and the day before and hit nil, guys. First weekend in a while I've hit nil. Right now we're currently on the road. It's me and Jada and Laurie. We're pushing out. Laurie's actually in the back, and you know what? I totally forgot again to slap my damn seatbelt on. Big up yourself, Calvin. Thank you for that. Yep, I got it on, guys. Safety's first. That's right. So, anyways, guys, we're on our way up to the countryside. We're actually heading inland. This is not a fishing event. I have a fishing rod with me just in case, and my tackle bag, right, Jada? Right, Jada?
Yes,
okay, so we got our tackle bag in the car. So, no cooler, no other gears, no gaff, nothing. I wonder how that's gonna work out, because we're going to actually link up with another channel, guys. I actually have something for another channel and brought it for them. So, big up to Jamaica Hidden Beauty Wildlife TV. That's what's up, guys. Yeah, man. So, we're heading there, and I have a gift for them, guys, with some real levels. I'm going to videotape some of the journeys going through here today to see if I can pick up some good footage for you guys on things, the traveling through here and the countryside going up to them, because they're actually in the middle of the island, actually on the southern coast of the island, guys. So we're heading there now, and in the middle I'm gonna stop by my mom's and some family members and drop off my gears and some gears and stuff, and then head to visit them and see what we can catch. The weather up here don't look so good, guys. It looked like we're gonna hit some rain. I'm glad I didn't wash my car today. Yes. So we out here, guys. Yeah, man, peoples. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. I'm actually heading inland to meet up with another channel, Jamaican Hidden Beauty Wildlife, Jamaica Hidden Beauty Wildlife TV. I'm gonna link up with him. I actually have some other business up here to do, but in the process I said, why not kill two birds with one stone, come up here and link these guys. I'm actually going through Trelawney Parish, guys. The road here is very narrow, and it's like, I just wanted you guys to see an example of how people operate through these places and, you know, traverse on a daily basis. We're traveling, guys, heading up to it's all right, it's still good. Heading up to Manchester Parish, guys, and as you can see, water trucks are over here parked on the side of roads, pumping water to people's houses because of the fact they probably have a water outage in the area or something. This has nothing really to do with fishing content, guys, but my traverse to meeting another channel, and this is like a meet and greet type deal, and this is good because I did, and I have for a long time wanted to really link up with these guys and do a video together of some catch and cook of fishing and outdoor life, because we both share the same thing as far as the outdoors and contents with fishing and diving and all kinds of other stuff. So, guys, stay tuned. We are out here, guys, and we're definitely doing our thing. All right, guys, stay tuned. Stop. Jamaican shore fishing people, way up in our hills in the cockpit country. Yeah, guys, so we up at a point now that I actually cleared the canopy, and we actually hitting good weather up this side. We're approaching Albert Town. You guys can see the view out there, but this is very cornery terrain and very, how you say, cliffy area, but a lot of yams and a lot of red dirt, a lot of bananas. This is actually banana country and yam country up here in Jamaica, in Trelawney, the parish of Trelawney, people. we are gonna be stopping to get some roast yam and some saltfish. And you know, this is what the road trip is about on this side. Roast yam and saltfish. So anytime you're passing through Trelawney, people, stop and get some roast yam and saltfish. You see it? Because I hit we are doing I'm on in here. Some cooked down saltfish or maybe some roast saltfish with some roast yellow yam, people. Yeah man. And today is Sunday. Actually a church day. Everybody's out to church, people. So all careful on the road. Yeah, man. So I don't want to give you too much of this video, the curvy road, people. And as you can see, might get you all this here drive on this road here with me right now. So we're approaching the town of Albertown. We're almost in the middle of Albertown. We got a little half an hour, 45 minutes drive after that to reach my destination. And then a little bit of journey after that to reach my next destination. We are meeting up with Fowl and Tremaine and Jamaica and Sci-Fi from Jamaica Hidden Beauty Wildlife TV, people. Make sure I get that clear. And we out here, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, guys. So now we reached to a point where I'm gonna actually take a pit stop and take a break on this Concord Road so my kids can get a break and myself take a break outside of the car, stretch my legs a little bit. I've been driving for a little bit. Maybe a restroom and get some roast yam and some roast saltfish, people. That's what's up. So when we stop, I'm just gonna stop here real quick, guys, and it's actually around the corner. Another 2 more turns and I should be where my destination, closer to my destination. I'm gonna hold my pit stop. So you guys, get this camera turned a bit to the right so that you guys can actually see the spot when I pull up and how they do things. Actually, here we go. Yep, we're here, guys. So this is the roast yam and saltfish spot that I always stop, guys. Have to let that guy know I'm pulling over. And this is where it's at, guys. So you see the guys up there by the car, they roast the yams and the saltfish and stuff like that, guys. Stop to grab me something to eat real quick. Yeah, man. Yam spot. Virgin yam spot in Trelawney, so want to check out the men still. Yeah, man. Anytime I pass on the road at Trelawney, peoples. Out there. Almost reached Hidden Boss, people. Like
You've arrived.
Look like we're reaching the peoples. So I'm gonna call Tremaine and say I'm there. Alright, Jamaican Shore Fishing here, guys. We're here with Fowl. We're here with Hidden Boss, Jamaican Hidden Beauty channel. That's what's up, guys. We out here, guys. We're just doing a little link up, meet and greet type deal. And we're just chilling, guys. No videos came out today. We didn't catch any fish today. We're just here linking up, guys, for the next adventure we're about to do. Big up yourself, YouTube. We out there, guys.
Let's look. Look at that now.
Yeah. Jamaican Shore Fishing here, people. We're here with Fowl.
Yes,
Yep.
no man.
We're here with Wi-Fi. And we're here with Tremaine. Jamaican. That's right. Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV, people. But the link, meet and greet, we call it, people. Meet and greet Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV.
Yeah, man.
Because you're the man them done give you a wicked big up since week. And we're there, so. And we are support them things same way. I show up in personal, people, and gratitude to the channel. Big up on yourself. We out here, guys.
Every time.
Look at that.
One love.